Karimunjawa Island, located in the Java Sea, is a hidden paradise waiting to be discovered by adventurous travelers. And what better way to reach this tropical oasis than by taking the Karimunjawa fast boat? This exciting and comfortable journey is the perfect start to a wonderful vacation on this stunning island. After packing our bags and bidding farewell to the city life, we were ready for an adventure to the tropical paradise of Karimunjawa. Our journey began in Semarang, where we headed to Jepara to take the Karimunjawa fast boat to the island. Knowing that the fast boat was set to depart at 9 a.m., we arrived in Jepara the day before and checked into the Samudra Hotel, located conveniently close to the port. The next morning, we were advised to get to the port around an hour before departure. We had pre-booked our tickets at the TIC, Tourist Information Center, in Semarang. These tickets cost 200,000 Indonesian rupees per person, one way. The tickets were waiting for us at the port office. As we approached the port, we saw that the much larger slow boat to Karimunjawa had already set sail 2 hours prior. But it was our turn to embark on the second departure from Jepara that day. Before boarding the boat, we were required to pay an eco-tax of 50,000 Indonesian rupees, for euros, per person. Although we couldn't be sure, we had a feeling that this tax was only imposed on foreign tourists. Nevertheless, it's worth taking into consideration for those on a tight budget. Finally, we boarded the Karimunjawa fast boat, which departed from Jepara on time at 9 a.m. We understood it would be a 2-hour journey to Karimun port, where we would arrive around 11 a.m. The seating area inside the boat was comfortable enough, with a movie showing. Make sure to bring a warm jacket as the air conditioning was set to freeze a brass monkey. The fast boat offered 2 classes of seating, standard and VIP. We chose the standard class, which was just fine for us. For those willing to spend a little extra, the VIP seating upstairs offered a small snack, fewer people, and even a karaoke machine for some mid-journey entertainment. As we sailed on the fast boat, we overtook the slow boat just half an hour before arriving at Karimunjawa. Upon arrival, we couldn't wait to step out into the warm air and explore our surroundings. We had already booked our first night at the Weru guest house, located just a stone's throw away from the port. And with 9 whole days to explore the island, we were ready for an unforgettable adventure in paradise. In the following section of our travel diary, we share our experience of exploring the hidden treasures of Karimunjawa Island. From snorkeling in crystal clear waters to hiking through lush green forests, stay tuned to check out all the amazing sights and experiences we had on this incredible island. If you'd like to know more about traveling through Indonesia, be sure to take a look at our 3-week Central Java travel plan on our website at sandspice.com.